studies show which of the following histologic features. All of the above: regenerating nodules, fibrosis inflammation, and collapse of your lobular reticule. Intestinal malabsorption caused by an immune reaction to gluten is ultimately characterized by which of the following: villus atrophy. Because sometimes those small intestine will already look like your large intestine because of the atrophied villi. The so-called adenoma carcinoma sequence is based on which of the following pathologic features of an adenoma: grades of dysplasia. Because so when you see it is plastic epithelium, there's already mutation there. The initial reaction of the liver to alcoholic toxicity triggered by cell membrane injuries, which of the following: innate immune response. Okay, so only 15% of us got the correct answer. Which of the images below is characteristic of tuberculosis of the ileum? It's the right. Which of the esophageal lesions seen in the image below is frequently associated with HPV infection? It's the one on the right. This is adenocarcinoma, this is squamous cell carcinoma. In the image below, which of the following clinical manifestations is expected to be significantly prominent? Jaundice, kasi you see all of those bile accumulations. Which of the following events triggers gastric mucosal atrophy, thus increasing the risk of malignancy in a patient with H. pylori gastritis? Chronic inflammation. Which of the following features is most characteristic of autoimmune gastritis? Loss of your parietal cells. In viral hepatitis, mitochondrial injury caused by oxidative stress due to extensive viral replication initiates apoptosis to which of the following release of your BCL2. Diba? Kasi prove apoptotic protein, and again, kanina, sa follicular lymphoma, this is what is decreased in expression, therefore there's no apoptosis going on in the germinal center. Which of the following is a consequence of H. pylori gastritis? Adenocarcinoma. Left side colonic carcinoma is most commonly triggered by a genetic mutation involving which of the following genes? Proto-oncogene. I think that ito yung key genus or genus driven or KRAS driven. Kasi di ba yung sa right side is the microsatellite instability. Which is following is the most common congenital anomaly of the esophagus. It's D. I think Robinson, specific image na po. Which of the following results from the action of urease creating a buffering zone that protects H. pylori from the effects of acid, is the production of your ammonia and carbon dioxide. Endoscopic view of the esophagus in the image below is caused primarily by which of the following? The arrow indicate the gastroesophageal junction. So all of the above: congestion, inflammation, and edema. Which of the esophageal mucosa seen in the image below has the highest risk of evolving into a malignancy? It's the right. Diba? Kasi it already has this plastic epithelium. Ayan o. See, the nuclei are on the surface already. So there's loss of polarity in this image. Nalito kayo kasi may Barrett itong kabila.
Ayun.
Pero ito, may dysplasia ito eh. Ito, metaplasia lang ng Barrett, remember. The most common site of esophageal squamous cell carcinoma is in which of the following? Middle third. Which of the following types of anemia may be associated with autoimmune chronic gastritis? Again, since your parietal cells are being destroyed, you have decrease in intrinsic factor, therefore megaloblastic anemia. Which of the following is an essential component in the definition of Barrett's esophagitis? Intestinal goblet cell metaplasia. So pwedeng columnar cell metaplasia, but the best answer is intestinal goblet cell hepatitis B virus can invade the immune response through which of the following mechanism integrate its DNA into the host, which majority of you got the correct answer. VAC A, upon release into the gastric mucosal cell, causes which of the following apoptosis? In chronic alcoholism, which of the following triggers the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines by the Kupffer cells? It's the toxic acetaldehyde. The initial adaptive response of the esophageal lining epithelium to reflux gastric acid is which of the following? So initial adaptive response is hyperplasia. The most common condition associated with reflux esophagitis is which of the following? Hiatal hernia. Cholera causes which of the following types of diarrhea? Secretory. Which of the following is the most common cause of liver injury among patients? It's hepatitis B. Which of the following is not a component of the Zollinger-Ellison syndrome? It's stage 5 infection.